What is the primary function of MAC address in network communication? A. Identifying a device on a network. B. Determining the network segment. C. Directing packets to their destination. D. Assigning IP addresses dynamically. Answer. A. Identifying a device on a network. Which IEEE standard defines the operation of Ethernet networks at the data link layer? A. 802.11b, 802.3c, 802.1xd, 802.15. Answer. B. 802.3. What is the purpose of VLANs, virtual local area networks, in network segmentation? A. Extending a network across multiple geographical locations. B. Improving network performance by reducing latency. C. Isolating traffic within a specific group of devices. D. Load balancing traffic across multiple network links. Answer. C. Isolating traffic within a specific group of devices. Which of the following is not a common authentication method used in network access control? A. MAC address filtering. B. Radius, remote authentication dial in user service. C. SNMP, simple network management protocol. D. TACACS Plus, terminal access controller access control system plus. Answer. C. SNMP, simple network management protocol. What is the purpose of 802.1x authentication in network access control? A. Assigning IP addresses dynamically to network devices. B. Filtering traffic based on IP addresses. C. Identifying and authorizing network users and devices. D. Configuring VLANs dynamically based on traffic patterns. Answer. C. Identifying and authorizing network users and devices. Which of the following is a characteristic of full duplex communication? A. Devices can only transmit or receive data at a time. B. Devices can simultaneously transmit and receive data. C. Devices must wait for a token before transmitting data. D. Devices share the same communication medium. Answer. B. Devices can simultaneously transmit and receive data. What is the primary function of a switch in a network? A. Filtering traffic based on IP addresses. B. Forwarding frames based on MAC addresses. C. Routing packets between networks. D. Assigning IP addresses dynamically. Answer. B. Forwarding frames based on MAC addresses. Which type of wireless encryption provides the highest level of security? A. WEP, Wired Equivalent Privacy. B. WPA, Wi-Fi Protected Access. C. WPA2, Wi-Fi Protected Access 2. D. Open, No Encryption. Answer. C. WPA2, Wi-Fi Protected Access 2. What is the purpose of port security in switch configuration? A. Preventing unauthorized access to the network. B. Securing wireless access points. C. Prioritizing network traffic based on IP addresses. D. Restricting access to switch ports based on MAC addresses. Answer. A. Preventing unauthorized access to the network. Which of the following is a benefit of using PoE, Power over Ethernet, in a network? A. Increasing data transmission speeds. B. Simplifying cable management. C. Securing wireless access points. D. Reducing interference from neighboring networks. Answer. B. Simplifying cable management. What is the purpose of ARP, Address Resolution Protocol, spoofing in network attacks? A. Decrypting encrypted network traffic. B. Denying access to legitimate network users. C. Intercepting and modifying network packets. D. Mapping IP addresses to MAC addresses falsely. Answer. D. Mapping IP addresses to MAC addresses falsely. Which of the following is a characteristic of a broadcast domain? A. Devices can communicate directly with each other. B. Devices share the same network address. C. Devices are physically located in the same building. D. Devices are connected to the same switch port. Answer. B. Devices share the same network address. What is the purpose of MAC address filtering in network security? A. Preventing unauthorized access to the network. B. Encrypting data transmission between network devices. C. Prioritizing network traffic based on IP addresses. D. Detecting and mitigating network attacks. Answer: A. Preventing unauthorized access to the network. What is the primary function of a Layer 2 switch? A. Filtering and forwarding frames based on MAC addresses. B. Routing packets between different IP networks. C. Assigning IP addresses to network devices. D. Encrypting data transmission over the network. Answer: A. Filtering and forwarding frames based on MAC addresses. Which of the following is not a feature of VLANs, virtual local area networks? A. Improving network performance. B. Enhancing network security. C. Simplifying network management. D. Extending the physical reach of the network. Answer: D. Extending the physical reach of the network. What does the term 802.1x refer to in network access control? A. Wireless encryption standard. B. Ethernet cable category. C. Authentication protocol. D. Router interface type. Answer: C. Authentication protocol. What is the purpose of STP, spanning tree protocol, in a switched network? A. Load balancing traffic across multiple network links. B. Preventing loops in the network topology. C. Securing wireless access points. D. Prioritizing network traffic based on IP addresses. Answer: B. Preventing loops in the network topology. Which authentication method relies on a centralized server for user authentication? A. MAC address filtering. B. Radius, remote authentication dial in user service. C. Port security. D. Static IP addressing. Answer: B. Radius, remote authentication dial in user service. What is the purpose of port security in network access control? A. Preventing unauthorized access to the network. B. Securing wireless access points. C. Prioritizing network traffic based on IP addresses. D. Restricting access to switch ports based on MAC addresses. Answer: A. Preventing unauthorized access to the network. Which of the following is a characteristic of half-duplex communication? A. Devices can simultaneously transmit and receive data. B. Devices share the same communication medium. C. Devices must wait for a token before transmitting data. D. Devices are physically located in the same building. Answer: C. Devices must wait for a token before transmitting data. Thank you for watching Cyber Trainer. Like and subscribe.